welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to export tax lot details per possession in TD Ameritrade. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to export tax lot details per possession in TD Ameritrade, all you can do is simply go and tap open your TD Ameritrade account. Once you have done this, you need to now simply make sure which is the best platform to do this. So, according to all the details provided, the most effective method is to generally go through the Thinkorswim account. So you need to go and tap open your Thinkorswim platform or potentially the web portal for individual possession. So once you open your Thinkorswim platform, you need to log in into your account, navigate to the monitor tab, select the account statement section or the position section, and to see the tax lots for specific security, click on the arrow icon or right click the symbol to view lot details. Within the lot detail window, you should be able to right click and select export to save information as a .csv or Excel file. So this is how you can simply do it. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.